Hey guys, it's your juice cut in half. Thank you for watching and thank you that you are subscribing and you're liking my video. It's not easy being here, but I'm here with important message and just to share my gratitude with you. So I want to show you something really special. My hairstyle. My hairstyle is an African hairstyle. You can get it anywhere. You can get a hairdresser to do this for you. This is so nice. I love it. Yes, it's because of money that we cannot put expensive wigs, but there is a lot of hairstyles that you can make even without having so much money. You can put this one, you can put anything.